Finally coming to the actual runway, and this runway basically runs north and south. It was used for many, many years to shuttle people out to Area 51 and to the test site and to even Yucca Mountain. They haven't really used it for probably 15 or 20 years now, other than the occasional small plane. There used to be hangars out here, and people kept small planes here for a long time. But the people that did that either moved on or passed away or whatever, and the hangars were tore down about 10 years ago before they fell down completely, so that the people that actually own the airport property could sell it. Another one of those things that happens if you're in a community of older people. Right about here, I thought I'd had a flat on my front tire, and I was getting all panic stricken about it because I'm really far out for a ways for help. And it turns out it's just because the ground is so mushy out there, it made the tire feel like it was going flat. Thanks for watching.